Hello everyone, Vanda here. Today I am answering a question that was posted. What happens after a detox program is over? All right. Well, what happens during detox? That's the main question, I think, that we should be asking. And basically you're creating a lifestyle around detox, right? And so while you're detoxing, you're creating that lifestyle that you will be able to sustain yourself within your lifestyle, right? And so when detox, you stay there for a little while and you clean out as much as possible and heal as much as you can for a period of time, right? And we do that by staying on fruits, some juicing maybe, some herbs, some water fasting, some dry fasting. Those are some of the higher levels of detoxification. And so we spend enough time there cleaning out the trash, the old buildup that we've accumulated over the years. And then we take a break. And notice I said take a break, because what we do during that break is we maintain a lifestyle that, optimally it would be a raw vegan lifestyle, right? With mostly fruit, some veggies, a little bit of fat here and there, and we maintain that. But regardless, we're still accumulating metabolic waste, right? When we're maintaining. And so we accumulate that waste via many ways, right? What we breathe in, our surroundings, so our emotional bodies, right? Because we have many different bodies. And so we try to maintain or build back what we had, whether it was muscle, a little bit more weight, right? And so we go through a period of just maintaining what we've done, the amount of cleaning up we did, right? And sometimes we build, right? We need to build. But at some point or another, periodically, we should always go back to detox and give ourselves a little bit of time on fruit and fruit only, right? And so basically the detox never really ends, right? We just create a lifestyle around it of cleaning, maintaining, and building, and then back to cleaning a little bit, right? So we clean up as much as we can, and then from there we prevent anything else from happening. Therefore, we have to continue to keep the body clean, right? We can't go back to the things that got us sick to begin with. That's the mentality of like diets, right? Or temporary detoxes, programs that people get on, and then once they're done, they go back to what they were doing. Well, that's what got them sick to begin with. So during that detox process, you want to create a lifestyle around it that you could continue to build on And once you gain the knowledge of how to clean the body, how the body works, then that process is pretty much engraved in you. You've also learned to listen to your body. So when your body feels overwhelmed, you'll feel that as well, because the body communicates to us and lets us know it's time for another cleanup a little bit there, right? And so we go back to that period of time where we spend a little time cleaning again. And then we maintain and build and go back to cleaning. Therefore, it's that lifestyle that we're creating for ourselves within our lifestyle, as far as life is concerned, right? And we put those two together, and what we can maintain and achieve, we kind of stay with that, and we hope to continue to grow that process, and every day 1% better version of ourselves, right? And we're constantly working. So in my opinion, detox only takes little breaks here and there, but we want to continue to encourage the body to do the necessary cleanup. And in order for the body to do that, we have to keep the lymphatic system healthy and our channels of elimination open. So when the lymphatic system cleans overnight or whatever it is, then it also, every night, it does that for us. And we're pretty much maintaining, right? What's going in is getting cleaned up, but we're not going into those deeper levels of cleaning. And every once in a while, we do need those deeper levels of cleaning. So I hope that helps answer your question. You're never ever, what you need to remember is you never ever want to go back to what got you sick to begin with. So in the process of detox, you need to let all those things go that got you sick to begin with. So I hope that helps. I'll leave it there for today. Please continue to send me more questions so I can continue to serve you. Bye for now. Much love to you.